Hi, I'm Vanessa and I'm going to be making a tea for me. I'm going to have some water in my cup, cayenne pepper, ground cinnamon, apple cider vinegar, lemon, and ginger. I've already washed it really good, peeled it, and I cut some pieces off. I have my measuring 1 tablespoon because I'm going to do 2 of these. So I'll go ahead and my water is warming up right now. And I'll go ahead and put a strainer because I don't want any of the seeds. I don't know if you've ever tasted lemon seed, but they are really bitter. I thought I could handle them because I super love lemon. And then I accidentally ate one and boy, was I wrong. So I squeezed the whole lemon, as I love lemon, while my water is warming up. And then I grab the ginger slices that I cut up. Ginger has a lot of benefits. So does cayenne pepper, so does ground cinnamon. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of benefits as well. However, there's a debate about it that it could cause something with your stomach. So maybe you should research as we are both together learning how to take care of ourselves. I go ahead and open this up, and I'm not very tolerable on very spicy stuff, so I just put just a tiny bit. And usually I like to use cinnamon sticks and then stir my tea with the cinnamon stick, but today I went to the store and I couldn't find them. So hopefully when I go to the store another time. But for now, I'll go ahead and use some cinnamon, and it's, you know, whatever you like, taste it, try different things, get to know yourself. I do 2 tablespoons just because, like I said, I learn things from people, I try them out, and I go with whatever makes my body feel good, what results I get. So I do 2 of these, and I believe my teapot is about to whistle just in time. Let's wait for it. And okay, so the benefits are lowering diabetes, helping with stomach cramps for period. I'll give you some more, but my teapot's ready, so let me go ahead and get that. I love my teapot. And be careful with the water. I'm new in the kitchen with cooking and making things, so I burnt myself. Learned the hard way. Grab a spoon. I love these spoons. Stir it up and wait for it to cool off. And it makes my throat, my ears, and feel really good, and it warms me up too with all the other benefits. Thank you so much for watching.